Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We are here with a tutorial on how to fund your account in the Mitrade broker using the Tether TRC20 method. As you saw, we created our account in this broker and completed the identity verification, and now we intend to fund the account. To do this, when we are on the main page of our account, we select the deposit option from the top panel, and in the opened page, we choose the deposit method, which is USDT. On the next page, you need to select the USDT token and the desired network, which in this tutorial is TRC20. And as you can see, the destination address is displayed to you at the bottom. Please note that the minimum deposit amount to this broker is $50, and you can only use TRC20 Tether for deposits to this address. You can also use the converter below to find out the exact amount you intend to deposit to this broker. You enter your wallet on your mobile phone. Select the desired currency, which is Tether on the Tron network, and press the send option. In the first section, enter the destination address, and in the second section, enter the desired amount for deposit, or you can easily scan the displayed QR code by pressing this option to complete the deposit process, and click on Next. On the next page, the source address, destination address, fee amount, and total amount will be displayed to you. After confirming and entering the password, the deposit process will be completed. After completing the deposit process, to view the details of this transaction on your wallet, you can click on the specified option and view the complete details of this transaction on the TronScan website. Well, as you can see, after a few hours have passed since our transaction was successfully completed. From the wallet side, as you can see, no amount has been deposited into our account. We followed up on this issue with online support, and they asked us to wait a bit longer for the matter to be reviewed. After a few hours, we received an email stating that the amount would not be deposited into our broker account and has been returned to our wallet. Normally, after completing the transaction in your wallet, you can see this balance in your broker's wallet after a few minutes. Stay with us for more tutorials related to this broker. Goodbye.